Hi, let's talk about thrombocytes. Thrombocytes, or platelets, are pieces or parts of former cells called megakaryoplasts. Megakaryoplasts are produced when the body secretes thrombopoietin, and it's typically the liver that secretes it. One half of the clotting reaction is thrombocytes. The other half is a specialized protein called fibrin. And what happens whenever there is a disruption of the vasculature, soluble fibrin is converted into insoluble fibrin. So that which was dissolved now becomes a meshwork. And that meshwork ensnares formed elements, especially thrombocytes, to form a coagulation site, or colloquially, a scab. Therefore, thrombocytes are of supreme importance in the protection of the cardiovascular system. So we've discussed erythrocytes, leukocytes, and thrombocytes. Let's explore how the lymphatic system and its constituents and specialized cells, or lymphocytes, are able to also protect our body. Thank you.